Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to Engliopedia, the place where learning English becomes easy and enjoyable. Today's video is about the full exercise of the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement, including comprehension, vocabulary, and grammar. Grammar section. Topic: Adverbs and Adverbials. A. Rewrite the complete sentence using the adverb in brackets in its usual position. 1. I must see a dentist. Also, I must also see a dentist. 2. I was joking. Only, I was only joking. 3. Did you enjoy the film? Both. Did you both enjoy the film? 4. Javeria watches TV. Hardly. Javeria hardly watches TV. 5. She drives her car. Carefully. She drives her car carefully. B. Form adverbs from these adjectives. Adjectives. Adverbs. Perfect. Perfectly. Quick. Quickly. Nice. Nicely. Heavy. Heavily. Hard. Hardly. Quiet. Quietly. Late. Lately. Regular. Regularly. Terrible. Terribly. Good. Good. Fantastic. Fantastically. Recent. Recently. C. Complete the sentence using an adjective or adverb. 1. He's always in a rush. I don't understand why he walks so... Answer. He is always in a rush. I do not understand why he walks so hurriedly. 2. I prefer studying in the library. It's always... Answer. I prefer studying in the library. It's always quiet. 3. Masood took the assistant job. He had been looking for a position all summer. Answer. Masood happily took the assistant job. He had been looking for a position all summer. 4. They speak Pashto very... Answer. They speak Pashto very well. They lived in Peshawar for 2 years. 5. Please be... in the hallway. The walls have just been painted. Answer. Please be careful in the hallway. The walls have just been painted. D. Fill in the blanks with the correct comparative or superlative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.